Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on this 2012 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Awesome bit of kit, and even though it's 2012, it still looks immaculate, like it's just come out of the showroom, and it's this customer's pride and joy. So what have we done? So customer wanted parking sensors, but with Porsches it's really difficult to integrate any sort of technology onto them in the PCM head unit. So what we've gone for is using the Vodafone flush mounting system. We've got 4 lovely flush color-coded reversing sensors, and they are audible only, and we'll jump in the car in just a second just so that you can get an idea of them. And the reason we've done this video is we sell an awful lot of these kits supplied and fitted, but people want to know what it's going to look and feel like, and it's always been quite difficult to show. So this is the perfect car just to show it off. So as you can see, lovely flush mounted, color coded to the exact colour of the Porsche, and you would be very hard pushed to know that these didn't come from factory, because the sensor heads are only 18mm wide, or sorry, the diameter of them, and they look like they were there from factory. So just so you can get an idea of what it sounds like inside the vehicle, obviously it's quite a noisy car anyway, we're just going to jump in very quickly and just pop it into reverse. And just show you what it's going to look and feel like. And as I said, there is no integration on this sort of system or anything like that, but we're going to fire the car up, we're going to pop it in reverse, and then you probably just heard the little beep there, and Richard is just going to start backing up now to that Q5. So there you can hear the beeps. As you get closer, they get faster until the point where you flatline, or just before. And yeah, and that is this rear parking master, as they call it. It's made by Vodafone Automotive. It's a really decent bit of kit once it's all installed. And even on this vehicle, a lovely Porsche 911, it sounds and works quite well. The buzzer itself can be hidden away, so you don't know where it is. This customer just wanted a very faint sound, so we hid it quite far away behind the plastics and the interior trim, so that it had that sort of OEM feel. This kit can also be integrated with a front parking sensor kit, and then you get an extra button sort of like that you could put here, or somewhere nice and neat, that will allow you to turn the kit on and off. So if you've got a car, doesn't have to be a Porsche, but you would like to have parking sensors installed to it, this is the kit that we would recommend you go for if there was no sort of genuine option available where you can change the stereo and get it all integrated on there. So if you need any help or advice, the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as always, thanks for watching.